How to use Blend new feature on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on the chat button at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on any chat you want to turn on Blend. Simply click on the chat and you'll find Blend option at the top, which has smiley face and plus button. Simply click on it and click on invite. The other person will be invited, and in another person's account, they'll find join option at the bottom instead of invite. Simply click on join. After they have joined, you will find suggested reels blended together. There may be suggested for you and your friend, or only suggested for you, and another is suggested for your friend only. And this is how to use Instagram Blend new feature. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.